I'm Stacy and this is Tarisha. We're going to be making Play-Doh, and what you're going to need is all-purpose flour, some olive oil,
extra virgin,
just some salt, and some food coloring. You're probably going to need a cup thing, but we only have half a cup, so we're just going to use that. Okay, so we're going to get going on this. I have a bowl here with 2 cups of flour, and we're making Play-Doh, and now we're going to put in some salt, and we're going to need 1 cup of salt. Getting crazy.
getting wild.
Okay. Now we're going to mix it. Oh God. Okay, so I put 1 teaspoon of the olive oil in a separate bowl, and then I put just some food coloring, however much you want to add, and then I put a little bit of water in. You can basically however much, and then I mix it together. And I have like this purple color, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour this food coloring mix. Well, this is scary. Gosh. Mixing it.
And then if you don't mix it, like dump it out, and then you go like this. You probably dump it out in somewhere, or in the bowl, or you just.
No.
Whoa.
Whoa.
This looks like gloves.
You little nasty. That be a little nasty. Smack him.
Bitch, what the fuck you do? You a dancing bitch, I tell you that.
Guys, don't try this at home.
This is such things. Which one is which? Guys, I can't tell which is which. You should put that in your locker.
Guys, I don't know what to do with this.
Get off the counter.
Okay, well, I cut myself on the spoon, and it dripped in olive oil, but I'm gonna use it anyways. No! We're not gonna do that.